Why most funnel fails and how to fix yours. First hook. Let me guess, you build a funnel, launch it, and then nothing. No leads, no conversation. You start wondering, do funnel even work? The truth is most funnel fail. Not because funnel are broken, but because something inside the funnel is. Number two, the truth. You see, building a funnel isn't magic, it's strategy. And there are three big reasons most funnel flop. Number one, confused messaging. Number two, cold traffic, no trust. Number three, too many steps, no enough value. Okay, let me break down. Number one, confused messaging. If your funnel coffee is talking to everyone, it speak to no one. People don't take action when they didn't instantly get it. Your message should scream, "This is of you." Number two, cold traffic, no trust. Imagine walking up to a stranger and asking them to buy $500 product. Yeah, award. Must funnel skip the warm up. You need a trust, value, and clarity before you sell. And number three, too many steps, not not value. Okay, the long funnel are 7 email and 3 videos. No one has time to that. Keep it simple, deliver real value fast, and make it path and next step obvious. Number four, how to fix your funnel. Number one, clarify your offer. Like one problem, one person, one outcome. Make it ridiculously clearly. Number two, simplify your the journey. Cut the flow. Use a video sales letter or short lead magnet to arm people up fast. And number three, build trust first. Use testimonial, result, and content that educated the content. People buy when they feel understood, not pressure. Number five, closing and